Wessex Water fixes around 16,000 leaks every year. In this video, we explore how to report a leak and what happens when you do. Spotted a leak? If the leak is outside your home or in the road, please report it to us. The easiest way to get started is by visiting wessexwater.co.uk/report a problem. You can also check if this leak has already been reported by visiting wessexwater.co.uk/work in your area. Once you have reported a leak, we will send you a link and reference number so you can stay up to date with progress. On average, we will respond to leaks on our network on the same or next working day. We aim to immediately send an inspector to leaks that pose a risk to public safety, could cause flooding, or interrupt our supply. Trickles and damp patches should be investigated by the end of the next working day. Once a leak has been investigated, planning can then begin. This usually takes place within 24 hours after investigation. We must consider any health and safety risks to our crews or the public, while also ensuring we maintain a safe supply of water to our customers. We may need to liaise with the Highways Department to agree the work, or if traffic lights or a road closure are required. This can extend the time it takes for us to attend the site. Customers whose water supply may be disrupted by the repair will receive a letter with the expected timeframes. If at any point the timeframe changes, the customer will receive further updates. For more urgent repairs, we will contact affected customers by mobile or landline. On the day of the work, your local Wessex Water repair and maintenance team will attend the site and set up a safe working area. Road closures or temporary traffic lights will be put in place too. Excavation now starts around the area of the leak. Once the leak has been exposed, the team can begin to repair the pipe. How long this takes depends on the complexity of the leak. For leaks on our network, it can take up to 6 working days from being reported. Once the repair has been completed, we will permanently reinstate the area that has been excavated. If there's mud and debris, the repair crew will clean and wash down the area. We typically fully or partially reinstate the area on the same or next working day, but we sometimes have to return at a later date to finish the job. For more information and to report a leak you have spotted, please visit wessexwater.co.uk/leaks.